Alright, hey everyone, I'm just making this video so that you can see how you can watch me take notes in Teams while you are also taking notes in your English 2 Readers Notebook. So make sure that you have up to 3 tabs that you need for today, which will be your Hub, your Teams, and your Reader's Notebook on Google. So the first thing I want you to do is take out your Reader's Notebook and put it into a new tab. It should open up full like this, and you are going to go to this middle box here. It looks like 2 boxes, and you're going to click the restore down. Once you click the restore down, you're going to move this over to the side of your screen. All right, and then over here, you're going to click this one open, and you're going to click the same button, the restore down button. If you hover over it, you'll see that it says restore down, but it's basically like to make a smaller screen. So you're going to do that with that one, and you're going to drag it over. Drag it over, and boom. Now you will be able to see what I'm doing on Teams, and you will also be able to write in your notebook. And we can just close this gap right there, or you can make it a little bit bigger on the English 2 Readers Notebook if that's what you prefer. So once you get here, you're going to go to your very first slide in your Reader's Notebook, and you're going to go to Notes. When you click on Notes, it should take you to a slide. You're going to click it. It's going to take you down here to slide 27. All right. And then what you're going to do is scroll down. You'll see slide 28, 29, 30, and then 32 is going to be blank. So once you get to this blank slide, you are going to add in a text box so that you can write your notes in. So you want to hit the insert button, text box, and you get to draw it. So draw it on this screen. Now I can already tell this is going to be pretty small. So before I start typing, I'm going to go to more, the 3 dots, and I'm going to increase the size till about 29. And I like to use Oswald. So I'm going to click Oswald, and then I'm going to go back and type. What good readers do. All right, it's still a little small for me because I'm old. So I'm going to go back over here, highlight it, and then I'm going to make it even bigger. Okay. And boom, now I have it. And now I have both of my screens up at the same time, and I can watch what you can watch what I'm doing while you're taking your notes. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you.